Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're thinking about upgrading your home cleaning game with something powerful, reliable, and easy to use, this video is for you. Today we're covering the top 5 best household carpet cleaners, chosen for their scrubbing power, drying speed, portability, and overall value. We aren't looking at toys, we're looking at machines that actually pull gunk out of your floors. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all product links in description below. Let's get started. We're starting with the heavy hitter, the Bissell Big Green 86T3. This thing's basically a commercial-grade machine that someone shrunk down for your living room. It packs a massive 1.75-gallon tank, which means we aren't running to the sink every 5 minutes. The 12-amp motor provides the kind of suction that actually pulls water out of the padding, not just the surface. What makes it special is the Dirt Lifter PowerBrush. It uses 8 rows of bristles to scrub deep, and it cleans on both the forward and backward pass. Most cleaners only work when you pull them, so this effectively doubles your efficiency. It's built like a tank, which is a double-edged sword. It's heavy and takes up some real estate in the closet, but it won't break after 3 uses. The separate clean and dirty tanks are easy to handle, and the extra long hose makes stairs less of a nightmare. It's a premium investment, but if we've got a house full of carpets, this is the machine that pays for itself by avoiding professional crews. It is simply the best. Next up is the Hoover SmartWash FH52000. If we're looking for a machine that does the thinking for us, this is it. It ditches the traditional trigger system for automatic cleaning technology. When we push it forward, it washes. When we pull it back, it dries. There's no guessing how much solution to spray, which prevents us from soaking the floors. It uses flex force power brushes that are tough on dirt but won't shred the carpet fibers. Another standout is the heat force tech, which blows hot air directly onto the floor to speed up the drying process significantly. Maintenance is actually painless here. The tanks are straightforward to pop off, and the brush roll cover is removable, so we can actually clean out the hair and gunk that usually gets stuck. It's a high-end model that focuses on convenience without sacrificing much power. We're getting a dedicated dry-only mode too, which is great for high-traffic areas that need to be walkable fast. It's the smart choice for anyone who wants professional results without a steep learning curve. It handles every mess with ease. The Shark X201, or the Carpet Expert, is where things get technical. This isn't just a vacuum with a water tank. It features stain striker technology, which mixes 2 different cleaning solutions right at the tool head. One is a deep cleaner, and the other is an oxygen-boosted formula. When they hit the carpet together, they're rated for 20 times more stain-removing power than standard solutions. We're talking about pet accidents, wine spills, and ground-in mud that's been there for weeks. The high-pressure power spray ensures the solution actually reaches the base of the carpet where the smells live. It's surprisingly maneuverable for a deep cleaner. Shark didn't make this a bulky mess, so we can actually navigate around furniture without a workout. The hand tool is a beast for upholstery and stairs, especially since it uses that same dual solution tech. It's a high-end option for pet owners who are tired of lingering odors. If we need something that targets stains with surgical precision while still handling the whole room, this is the one to beat. It is a truly impressive machine for any home. The Hoover PowerScrub XL is the workhorse of the group. It uses 5 counter-rotating spin scrub brushes. Instead of just one big roll, these brushes move in multiple directions to agitate the carpet from every angle. It's aggressive on dirt, making it ideal for those high-traffic hallways that always look gray. It features a True Max recovery tank, which is designed to hold more dirty water than previous models. This means we're spending more time cleaning and less time hovering over the utility sink. Like the SmartWash, it includes heat force technology to blast the floor with warm air. We also get a quick clean mode, which is perfect for maintenance. It uses less water in solution, so the carpets dry in a fraction of the time. It's a mid-range powerhouse that doesn't feel cheap. The assembly is simple, and the dedicated pet tools make it versatile enough for the couch too. It's a solid pick if we want a machine that's reliable, high capacity, and doesn't require a manual the size of a novel. It just works, and it works hard. It is simply great. Finally, we've got the Bissell 3618 Little Green Hydro Steam. This is the only portable unit on our list, but it's here for a reason. It combines suction and scrubbing with actual steam. The HydroSteam technology helps break down oily messes and sticky spills that cold water won't touch. We've got 3 modes: steam wash for the tough stuff, steam only for refreshing fabrics, and a standard wash mode. Because it uses steam, the drying time is incredibly fast. We're talking about upholstery being dry to the touch in about 30 minutes. It's compact, so we can store it under a sink or in a small closet. It's perfect for car interiors, stairs, and those random spills that don't justify dragging out a full-sized upright. The 64-ounce tank is generous for a portable unit, and the tough stain tool is great for scrubbing out pet messes. It's a budget-friendly way to get professional-level spot cleaning. If we don't have a lot of storage space but still want serious cleaning tech, this portable steam machine is the winner. It makes every small job very easy.
And that wraps up the top 5 best household carpet cleaners of 2026. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech picks. Thanks for watching today. We appreciate the support, and we'll see you in the very next one.